as days passes by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when.
Let's have a look at the circuit diagram. Here we can see that this IR sensor has 3 ports, that is output, VCC and GND. But in another IR sensor there are 4 ports, that are AO, DO, GND and VCC. AO stands for analog output, DO stands for digital output. We have to give connection through digital output. We have to use TIP32C transistor. By usage of another transistor, our circuit might be reversed.
This is infrared sensor. It has two LEDs in it. One is infrared emitter, one is infrared receiver. Infrared emitter emits signal which when detected by infrared receiver, and this orange part in IR sensor is sensitivity adjustment potentiometer.
As we can see the diagram, the object is our hand, and when IR transmitters emit radiation, it falls on our hand and gets reflected to the IR receiver, which turns the circuit on.
And the total cost of this project ranges between 150 to 200 rupees only.